We just had a really close call in our home, and I wanted to make this PSA for pet suffocation prevention because we've got 8 cats. If you've got a multi-pet household or you've got young kids where there are several animals, not always super closely supervised, and it's not unusual for one of them to go missing for a time and you not to really wonder where they might be. I want to bring your awareness to something that happened to us. So one of our kitties got into an ottoman, like a storage ottoman, and she is okay. It wasn't this kitty, this is Rosie. It was Autumn, but it was really scary. I'll show you the video now, and then we'll chat a little bit about prevention at the end.
Hello. Yes. Hey, I'm doing good. How are you? Yes. Yeah. She actually gave you my number. But yeah, we're yes, yes, it's all good. It's all good. Holy shit. Hey, how did you get in there?
So what can you do? If you notice your cat's not around, you get out treats and they don't come, they could be stuck somewhere. If you scroll through YouTube, Facebook, there are stories bringing awareness to this of kitty cats suffocating within those big plastic tubs of litter, of food, but they can get in anything, any tight closed space like a drawer. We've had a cat in a drawer before, not for a long period like this, but drawers, suitcases, storage containers, anything that's got a crack or a hole. Like you saw that ottoman, they're curious and they're going to jump in. And if you've got another cat, kids, or you're moving, not paying attention, so easy to close them in there. Anything you can think of that's a tight space with a closed amount of air, and they can get trapped inside. This isn't just true for pets, but for kids too. But it was something that we'd kind of gotten loose about, hadn't really thought about. And when we didn't find Autumn Saturday evening, we thought maybe she's just sleeping in one of the kids' rooms. We didn't worry about it too much until my husband found her in the ottoman, and it was really scary. It could have gone very differently. So we're so glad she's okay. And we just wanted to raise awareness for pet suffocation. Make sure that you, if you can't find your kitty cat, your dog, that you go look for them quickly. Rosie says thank you for being here. And if you would like to fund Autumn's therapy, there are lots of really cool cat products on Mom's Amazon shop page, themamadentist.com. You can find everything there.